Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about the structure of the introduction of an information ebook. Now, that's different very much to the introduction of a novel. And I would never even presume to teach you on how to create the introduction of a novel because I have no clue on how to do that. But I do know it's very different to an introduction of an information ebook. So, if you want to hang around and check that out, that'd be awesome. Now, just to let you know, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. You know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So, what is the first point in the introduction? Well, the main thing you need to do with an introduction is make sure that you introduce the main concept of the ebook, what the ebook is all about. You don't have to go into nitty-gritty details. You don't have to go into every little fine detail at this particular point, because you'll find that if you do, you'll actually go into too much detail and people won't need to read the rest of the book because you've got it all in your introduction. So you're better off making sure that your introduction is just a brief overview of what you're talking about. Also, while you're at it, make sure that it's relevant and to the point. Don't waffle on. If you waffle on too much, you'll find that you'll lose the person's interest quickly, and you'll find that they will stop reading the ebook and they won't buy any more of yours. Tip number 3 is you can make sure that you're actually telling people your story. Let people know your experience, what you've done, who you are. Let people know whether you're married or whether you're not, if you've got kids or if you don't. Let people know your experience as to why they need to listen to you. Now, it's better if you get straight to the point, but if you do want to tell a little bit about yourself, say, you know, yeah, I'm a married man, he's got 2 kids, live in Queensland. And then you can go straight to the point. And then through that, you can just go, okay, and this is my experience, and then you can go through your various experiences. You can also make sure that this will allow them to build trust and allow them to know why they should listen to you. Make sure you include subtitles in your introduction. You'll find that it allows people to be able to follow along, and they'll see that there is a certain structure to your ebook. People don't like being taken from one point to another, to another, to another, with no congruent structure, because you lose them in translation. You've got to make sure that your structure is all there through not just your body, but also in your introduction. Make sure your paragraphs are structured in such a way that the first line of your paragraph actually is the introduction to what the rest of the paragraph is about. And the last line should be closing off with what you just said and introducing what you're going to be talking about in the next paragraph. You see, with that, a person can read, if they're a speed reader, a lot of speed readers will just read the top line and then the bottom line of a paragraph. And if your paragraph doesn't do what I just said, you'll actually lose them really quickly and really easily. Now, if you have your introduction, if on each paragraph it introduces a new idea, and the last line of your paragraph, or at least the last sentence of your paragraph, should have at least enough information in it to be able to have them go, oh, okay, so this is what the entire paragraph is about. So you're concluding the paragraph with the last line or the last sentence. Now, also, I would strongly suggest that if you are going to be creating your introduction, just do 2 paragraphs at it. Just do 2 lines. 2 or 3 lines in a paragraph at any given time. Otherwise, in an ebook, it's just too much. It's much easier for a person to read 1 or 2 lines in a paragraph than it is for them to read, you know, a dozen or more lines in a paragraph in an ebook. Hey guys, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.